Tired of sending emails one by one in Salesforce? I know that grind. You've got a list of contacts, and you're clicking, typing, clicking, sending over and over. It eats up your whole afternoon. But here's the good news. You don't have to do that. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to send a mass email to multiple contacts in just a few clicks. No extra tools, no workarounds, just the built-in feature that's already sitting inside your Salesforce. So here's the plan. I'm going to walk you through exactly how to select your contacts, grab a saved email template, and send it to everyone at once. We'll go step by step right inside the real Salesforce interface. By the time we're done, you'll be able to blast out that email in under 2 minutes. Let's start by navigating to the Contacts tab. Go ahead and click on Contacts from the main navigation bar. This is where all your contact records live. And if you're like me, you probably spend a lot of time here already. But today, instead of opening one contact at a time, we're going to work with them as a group. Now, select all the contacts you want to email. You can do this a few ways. If you want to grab everyone on the page, just check the box at the very top of the list, right next to the name column header. That will select all the visible contacts. If you need to pick specific people, just click the checkbox next to each one. And here's a really handy trick. If you have a big list and you want to select every single contact, not just the ones on the current page, look for the little banner that pops up saying all items are selected. You can click that to select every record across all pages. I've done this with lists of 100 contacts and it works perfectly. With your contacts selected, click the Send Email button. You'll find it right above the list, usually next to other action buttons. It's a single click, and that's going to open up the email composer. This is where the magic starts. Next, choose a saved email template. Click on Saved Emails. This option is typically at the top of the composer window. Now, if you've never used saved templates before, this is a huge time saver. You can have your company's approved messaging, your greeting, your call to action, all pre-written and ready to go. Just click on Saved Emails, and you'll see a list of your available templates. Select your template and click Select and Continue. Pick the one that fits your message. Double-check that it's the right one, maybe give the subject line a quick read. Then hit that Select and Continue button. This applies the template to your email. Review everything and click Save and Continue. Now, this step is really important. Salesforce is going to show you a summary screen with all the details. Your template, the subject line, and crucially, the recipients. Take just a moment here to scan it over. Once you're happy, click Save and Continue. Notice that all your selected contacts now appear as recipients. This is that satisfying moment where you see the whole list populated. You'll see a field that says To, and it lists every contact you selected earlier. If you spot someone who shouldn't be there, you can remove them individually. But if everything looks good, you're all set. This confirmation screen is your last chance to verify before the email goes out, so it's worth that 10-second check. Finally, preview your email and click Preview and Send. This shows you exactly what your contacts will see. Look it over, check the formatting, make sure the template pulled in correctly, confirm the subject line is right. When you're satisfied, go ahead and click Preview and Send. Your email is on its way to every single person on that list. And that's it. You just saved yourself a ton of time. Instead of copying and pasting or sending one email at a time, you've now sent a mass email to multiple contacts in just a few clicks. I use this feature all the time for newsletters, event reminders, follow-ups. It's one of those features that once you know it, you wonder how you ever worked without it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.